Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is in the healthcare field and it is non-phone. I know a lot of you, that is what you are looking for, but of course, as this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And just a little reminder, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, but the links to everything I do share is always in the description box below, so if you're interested, you can go there to put your application in. So the world-renowned and world-known Mayo Clinic has been hiring throughout the last year for different healthcare positions. I actually worked in my full-time job with a girl who left us to go to Mayo Clinic. So they are ramping up their hiring throughout the last year, and today they are hiring a healthcare document specialist. Now this is working remote from home within the United States. Now, this position will specifically perform transcription and editing of patient care documentation, ensuring the completeness and accuracy of the documentation. It demonstrates commitment to quality and excellence with internal and external customers. So you'll provide documentation support across all the clinical, hospital, and surgical specialties of the Mayo Clinic. You'll also routinely serve as a resource and mentor to others as opportunities arise. They are looking for someone who is a high school graduate or has a GED. No college degree is required. However, they do pay really well, but because of that, they are looking for someone who's a minimum of 5 years experience of multi-specialty clinic, hospital documentation experience, including proficiency with hospital operative notes. So they are looking for someone who has some experience. This is not an entry-level position. They also want someone who has computer and transcription equipment proficiency and experience and proficiency in editing speech recognition text. However, if you do have that experience, this pays fairly well. It starts off anywhere from $21.64 an hour all the way up to $31.23 an hour. Of course, the final pay that you are offered is always dependent on your experience and location. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.